Say goodbye to pet hair woes. Profile's got the mole that knows how to keep your clothes looking fine. No more fur, no more grime. Profile leading the way. Pet mole launches, it's a brand new day. No more pet hair, no more stress. UltraFast Combo, simply the best. High speed airflow, tumbling action. Separating hair with satisfaction. Trapping fur in the filter, easy to clean. Your clothes will shine if you know what I mean. It's the pet mode revolution, a laundry solution. Removing hair before the wash. Less water, less energy too. Pet mode knows just what to do. No venting needed, it's a breeze. UltraFast Combo, put your mind at ease.